guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on to this week's video. Now you've seen the title of this video, so you know it's something about rice water. So if you've been watching me long enough, you know that I've been on this challenge for 30-day rice water. I've been trying to break the breakage in the fall and winter season. My hair is thriving at the moment. It's what happens in January, February, March that is a big problem, but I have to make sure that what I do now is gonna carry right through into those months. So it's 1 month on and 1 month off. I am currently now doing my 1 month on, and I've got to say, come up with some little problems, okay? I'm going to be real, you know me, I keep it really. I have just been doing a few things differently with my rice water rinses. Now before I get into the tutorial about what I've been doing and how I've been making it and all of that stuff, I've got to tell you the reason why I decided to make the rice water slightly different. Now the reason why I'm doing this is just because when I'm doing the rice water rinses, it's going great. However, the texture of my hair is very dry. I don't know about you guys, but I have to do a whole heap of things to get the moisture balance back into my hair. And I do find my hair's got lots of body, which is a plus. I'm happy about that. But my hair is super dry. So what I've been doing is that I've been using my tea rinses. This is the Thirsty Hair tea rinse in here. I've got some other essential oils in it. So every night I've been spraying my hair down, massaging it into my my roots, making sure my ends has got some kind of mist on it, and I've been following it up with the Mel's Butter Me Up cream, which has been a daily thing because otherwise I wake up and my hair is just like, it's stiff, it's just won't move. And I thought, you know what, I need to change it. I need to change the game. Every week I do a deep conditioning. That is a staple. So by midweek, sometimes I find that I need a little bit more of a little boost of moisture. So I would do a hot oil treatment or maybe a co-wash just to make sure that I can put some moisture back into my hair. So recently I've been switching the game and doing hair masks. So I've then got a little bright spark on my brain and thought, you know what? I'm going to do a rice water hair mask. Hear me out. Right, enough said. Let's get right onto it. I want to show you exactly how to put it together and how I apply it. Then you don't need to ask me any questions, right? Okay, let me just roll the film. So first of all, I'm not going to be using the method that I used before, which was to ferment the water in a tightly closed jar. I'm not going to ferment it for 24-48 hours. What I am going to do is put 1 cup of rice into this pan. I've already rinsed it off, and I've actually put 2 cups of water in here as well. I'm going to bring this rice to boil, and then I'll show you at what point to turn it off. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that it is nice and mushy. Still got some water in there, and the rice is completely soaked up all of the water. That's the consistency we want because we're going to put it in the blender. So the additional oils I'm going to add to it will be coconut oil, grapeseed oil, some avocado oil. I want to add in the Manuka honey because I want it to be a really nice rich mask. And of course I'm going to put in peppermint oil. I'm also going to put in a scoop of Mel's Butter Me Up cream in. So here we go, we're going to put this on and see what this baby looks like. It's quite hot actually. So what you're looking for is a consistency like this, still nice and hot. It's nice and creamy. Okay, so as normal, I'm just randomly going to take parts of my hair and then just work it into the hair. But what I love about this as well is that it is actually nice and warm, so it will penetrate into my hair shaft instead of me going under the heated cap. So I just take a little bit of it like this, rub it through the roots. I am brave doing this in my office. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Because of all the other ingredients in it and the oils, it's given it some really nice slip. So I just thought it'd be a good idea for me to come in and say this. I am not doing this rice water mask on washed hair. No particular reason other than the fact that I washed my hair 3 days ago. It doesn't need another wash. I don't need to strip my hair of its natural oils already. I just need a midweek boost, and I've decided to do it with a mask, and it happens to be a hot oil slash rice water mask. Alrighty, let's get in there, see, just get in there, get in the hair strands, cover and coat that scalp. Just making sure, just cover the hair. That, my dear, is it, me and my blob head. Oh, it still smells. I actually smell like roast potatoes, not even like basmati rice. I smell like roast potatoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this into 2 more containers. I'm going to put them in the freezer, and when I'm ready to use it, I will take it out, defrost, and warm them up and apply it on my hair because it's already made. So genius, I know. Okay, I'm back. I put a little bit of the Tresemme Naturals moisturising conditioner, one of those cheapos, on, slap that on for a little bit longer, rinse that off, and here we have it. Now I just wanted to see, I know some of you are probably thinking your hair's already shiny, but just like last week, ooh, my hair feels good. It feels really well moistured. It doesn't feel that brittle. I can tell when my hair feels really brittle. Let me draw you closer, eh? Often when I do the rice water rinsing, it feels a little bit stringy, and then I have to go ham in with the moisturising, slapping everything on, just so that there's a balance of moisture. I cannot believe it. Look at this. This is the hair that come on my hair. 1 week's worth. I used to have a clump full of hair coming out. Look at this. Thank you, rice water. So right now I'm just going to put the Mel's Butter Me Up cream in my hair, just to lock in the moisture. And no point in me just, you know, you can't get a true test right now, so I'm going to come back tomorrow morning and you can see what my hair looks like then, because it's late right now. So guys, this is the next day. My hair obviously completely dry, and I'm going to show you what the curl pattern looks like. So after I co-washed the rice water mask off, I just put some Mel's Butter Me Up on, which what I normally do, but look at this. So I've literally done nothing to my hair apart from trying to pull it down from the pineapple. Normally the next day after wash day, my hair will definitely need some spraying down with the tea rinse that I have. It would definitely need me to put some Mel's Butter Me Up in, or the leave-in conditioner, or something. I mean, even on the ends or something like that, but I didn't need to do that this time. Hello, can I just say something please? Might I add, this week I did actually make it quite thick. I remember when I first made it last week, the consistency was so much looser, because what I'd actually done was last week I had separated it, I had put a lot more water in it and a lot more of the essential oils, so it became a little bit more like a paste rather than a thick, gludgy consistency that I had. So last week it was actually easier to put on my hair than it was this time. But I cannot deny the slip that I had with this mask. It's the Manuka honey, it's the other oils that I have in it. It's a brilliant mask. You've got to try it for yourself. Look, listen, overall, I love rice water, okay? I love the rice water method for growing healthy hair. You don't have to pay me any money to say that. I just love it. The other great thing about it, another pro, is that it's really easy to detangle my hair with. Much easier than just the rice water. The rice water is still a little bit of an issue for me. So yesterday my hair did actually manage to dry really quickly, so I thought I would just put myself on camera so you could see how mal fin the curls looked. I was gonna get ready for bed, but I thought, you know what, let me just quickly show you what it's gonna look like, because it may look a bit different the next day, and it does look different now. I'm loving it still, but I had to show you what it looked like yesterday. So guys, that's it for my video this week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below and hit the like. I really appreciate it when you do that, because it really helps my channel. And thank you to those of you who have been subscribing. I see you new subscribers. Yeah, I see all of you. I want to thank all my online friends, my Mel's World fam. Thank you so much for your support, all your comments. I love replying to each and every one of you. Don't forget to look out for my skincare routines. Yes, this 47-year-old face. I am about to do my nighttime routine for y'all. It's been a little while. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go now. Babbling way too much. I'll see you in my next video. You take care. God bless you. Bye.